In pharmaceutical manufacturing, trust starts long before production begins. It starts with the equipment, how it's built, how it performs, and how it meets the standards customers depend on.
ASME is the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. That U stamp is really a safety requirement. Customers want to see it simply for the safety standard, right? They know that it's been designed and built under a specific standard that would protect people that are working around that equipment.
DAC columns play a critical role in large-scale purification processes, and when systems operate under pressure, engineering standards matter.
These are pressure vessels, and once you get to a certain size, most states in the United States require that you have ASME certification to ensure that they adhere to the safety, quality, and reliability requirements of the U.S. markets.
ASME U stamping can help streamline approvals, simplify compliance reviews, and reduce uncertainty during purchasing decisions. It also supports the documentation and traceability requirements of regulated manufacturing environments.
Oftentimes the insurance carriers that insure these companies require certified components. It's very easy to see that U stamp and know that that product is safe for use.
YMC's US-supplied ASME stamped DAC columns undergo rigorous finite element analysis, or FEA, to verify structural integrity and safety. YMC America combines global chromatography expertise with responsive local support.
We now offer our customers a full lineup of DAC columns right here in the USA.
For customers, that means practical advantages and stronger long-term partnership.
That improves supply chain reliability, shortens manufacturing and delivery lead times, and it'll also enable YMC to provide faster installations, preventative maintenance, and repair services.
From engineering and fabrication to inspection, installation, and support, YMC is here to help customers succeed at every stage of the equipment lifecycle.
We're beginning to end. So you get us from the very beginning, and we're a part of you the whole way till this is done. We can do everything from design it or take your design and work with it. Get it certified, built, inspected. It's a one-stop shopping, basically.
Safety, quality, and service are built into everything we do. Our solutions, engineered to deliver reliable performance in the most demanding pharmaceutical environments. Find out more on ymcamerica.com.